Hi, 2025. I am so grateful for all the blessings, all the lesson I didn't know I need, and all the strength I didn't know I had. And you weren't perfect, but I am leaving you with no anger. Thank you for the growth, and I'm ready for what's next.
Thank you. Because even though a lot of things didn't went through my way during that year, still I was able to persevere through it and become the better person that I am now. So by the next year, I hope that anything that life will give me, I will still be able to push through everything. So thank you.
Wow, maraming nangyaring maganda, marami ring nangyaring hindi. Pero thankful pa rin ako sa'yo kasi marami akong natutunan ngayong taon and marami din akong nakilala. Marami katrabahong naging masaya ang pagsasama. Yun lang.
I want to say thank you because although there's a lot of challenges, you helped me grow.
And thank you 2025 sa learning, sa growth, and opportunities na meron at ibinigay. Thank you.
2025 for me was turbulent, filled with unexpected twists, turns, detours, and surprising reconnections. So 2025, thank you for all the memories that are tender, bittersweet, and timeless.